What it do, my Elvis fans, and we're back at it again with an Elvis reaction, and today we're gonna do Kentucky Rain from Elvis in Memphis. Appreciate you guys. If you're new around here, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, notification bells on so you get all my videos and you won't miss one. Let's get right into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. Okay. Hold on, I gotta start it back. That was smooth, yo. It reminded me like a little Motown sound. You know what I mean? Let's get it back again. Even the snare.
Seven lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long.
I'm sorry, I just need a rant right now, but I'm sick and tired of the word rain. Last couple of days here in Masters has been rain. Ugh. Thank God today we got sun. Ooh, I love sun. But unfortunately, that sun's gonna go away and turn into fall, which I love fall, but then winter. Ooh, I'm dreading winter. Let's get ready. I'm sorry, I just wanted to rant. Carry on.
Let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through.
Looking for your love, I bet, Elvis, right? In the rain.
In my shoes. Searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain.
Oh, man, I'm trying, guys.
There's some
Please,
old
let me try.
gray-bearded men sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man.
Oh, I was just like suspenseful too a little bit. You know, it was really suspenseful because they come up with fast, like, and then they stop them. Pretty cool.
Cold, dark afternoon. As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'd find in you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoes.
Minus shoes.
Searching for you.
Remember those days, guys, when it was raining? We used to go out barefooted, play in the rain, actually jump in the puddles and roll around the puddles. If y'all did that, let me know if y'all did that, because I know I did back in those days. I lived in the project, so we had no choice. Kentucky rain. Oh, Kentucky rain. I don't want to hear the word rain again. Like I said, last 2 days we had rain out here where I'm from, and I hate rain. I hate driving in rain, period. Appreciate you guys. If you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. Leave a like, notification bells on so you get all my videos. The last video of the day. Shout out to all my Elvis fans. I appreciate you guys. Hope you're having a great day. Stay blessed. You know how it go? And I'll see you mañana. Spanish word of the day tomorrow. Peace.